الله يعطيكم العافية أعزائي الطلاب. application form اللي هو طلب التوظيف. Have you ever filled in an application form؟ عمرك عبيت طلب توظيف؟ Have you ever applied for a job؟ عمرك تقدمت لوظيفة؟ I guess your answer will be no, because I'm still young. مش هيك راح تكون إجابتكم؟ لا، لأنه لسه صغار. But listen to this. After you graduate from university, you are going to fill an application form when you apply for a job. لما تخلصوا الجامعة أكيد راح تعبوا طلب توظيف ولا لا لما تقدموا الوظيفة. So now we are going to learn how to fill an application form and what kind of information does an application form include. First, let's look at the application form in front of us here and see how it is written. From what we can see here, the application form is divided into two parts. The first part is required basic information, معلومات أساسية, and the second part is a short paragraph written by the applicant بكتبها المتقدم. Look at the first part. As you can see here, we have first name اللي هو الاسم الأول, and the applicant name is right here as you can see. We have the surname, وأحيانا بقولوا له last name الاسم الأخير, وأحيانا بقولوا له family name الرشيد. And then we have the address, as you can see 251 التاج ستريت عمان. And phone number, you write your phone number, you fill in your phone number, and email address البريد الإلكتروني تكتبه. Finally we have interests and hobbies. Interests اللي هي الاهتمامات, examples like reading, listening to music, watching movies. والhobbies اللي هي الهوايات مثل swimming, jogging, playing basketball, playing tennis, playing football and so on. طيب هلا يعني هاي بس المعلومات؟ No, you can add more if you like. يعني you can add place of birth, date of birth, marital status, number of children. You write what you need or what you find necessary. Now let's go to the second part. نيجي للقسم الثاني. In the second part, as you can see, we have a short paragraph explaining your relevant experience, reasons for applying, and finally contributions, your contributions to the job اللي هي مساهماتك للوظيفة اللي بتقدم لها. But remember, be straightforward. First, mention the job you are applying for. Let's see what رائد wrote. خلينا نشوف شو رائد كتب. رائد wrote, I am applying for the vacancy of software programmer in your company. أنا بتقدم لوظيفة software programmer. هاي ذكر الوظيفة. I worked in a computer company for 3 months as a research assistant. Experience ذكر الخبرة. I am interested in the position in your company because it matches my field of specialization اللي هو software programming. I feel I have the opportunity to use my expertise in this field to contribute to your company by developing new programs and to develop my skills further. لاحظوا هون كمان what he will contribute to the company. And this is the basic things you need to mention in your short paragraph. Is this clear for you? Because later on we'll have more exercises regarding this. So pay attention. See you.